I need to return this item. I need to return this item. I would like to exchange this item. I would like to exchange this item. I bought this recently. I bought this recently. I have the receipt with me. I have the receipt with me. I don't have the receipt. I don't have the receipt. This item doesn't fit. This item doesn't fit. This item is too big. This item is too big. This item is too small. This item is too small. This item is damaged. This item is damaged. This item arrived broken. This item arrived broken. This isn't what I expected. This isn't what I expected. I got the wrong size. I got the wrong size. I got the wrong color. I got the wrong color. I changed my mind. I changed my mind. I received the wrong item. I received the wrong item. This item doesn't work. This item doesn't work. This item stopped working. This item stopped working. I want to return this for a refund. I want to return this for a refund. Can I get a refund? Can I get a refund? Can I exchange this for a different size? Can I exchange this for a different size? Can I exchange this for a different color? Can I exchange this for a different color? Can I exchange this for something else? Can I exchange this for something else? Do you offer store credit? Do you offer store credit? How long does the return take? How long does the return take? Is there a return fee? Is there a return fee? What is your return policy? What is your return policy? Can I return this without the tag? Can I return this without the tag? Can I return this if it was a gift? Can I return this if it was a gift? I only wore it once. I only wore it once. I never used it. I never used it. It doesn't look like the picture online. It doesn't look like the picture online. It doesn't match what I ordered. It doesn't match what I ordered. I ordered the wrong thing. I ordered the wrong thing. I received it as a gift. I received it as a gift. It doesn't fit my needs. It doesn't fit my needs. It's not the right style for me. It's not the right style for me. It's uncomfortable. It's uncomfortable. It's the wrong size for my child. It's the wrong size for my child. Can you help me with a return? Can you help me with a return? Can you help me with an exchange? Can you help me with an exchange? Do I need the original packaging? Do I need the original packaging? Is this returnable? Is this returnable? Is this eligible for exchange? Is this eligible for exchange? Can I get the same item? Can I get the same item? Can I get a different item? Can I get a different item? How long will the refund take? How long will the refund take? Do you need my ID? Do you need my ID? Thank you for helping me with this. Thank you for helping me with this.